Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add your Shopify catalog to Facebook. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. You're going to find content, analytics, and also marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly here, you're going to find your applications and settings. So right now, first of all, go ahead and click on add applications. Then you're going to be right here. Once here, go to the bottom and then you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store and then you're going to be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Once you're here, go to the top here in the center. You're going to find this search bar. Give it a click and then search for Facebook like this, Facebook and Instagram. And after that, you're going to find all these results for your search. Go ahead and choose this application, Facebook and Instagram by Meta. Give it a click, and then you're going to be here in the applications page. So basically, guys, by installing this application, you're going to be able to link your Shopify to your Facebook and Instagram, and then you're going to be able to add your catalog and so on to your Facebook account. So basically, guys, your Shopify and Facebook accounts will be synced with this application. First of all, go ahead and click on install. And then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. Once here, go ahead and click on install. And then once you click on install, just wait for it to load. And then once loaded, you're going to be right here. As you can see, guys, it's added to the dashboard, Facebook and Instagram. So right now, all you need to do, guys, is click on get started and follow these steps. First of all, add your Facebook account and follow the steps. And after that, click on submit for review. And then you're going to be able to link your Shopify to your Facebook account. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.